what? Today we're going to go to the grocery store together. Yes, I'm very hungry and I'm ready to eat. I need to go to the store and shop. Can you come with me to go shopping? Yes or no? Yes? Yay! Let's go! Let's go to the grocery store. I'll see you over there. Hi, I'm at the grocery store and now it's time to go shopping. I'm going to show you all of the groceries that I got and then we have to go to the cash register. At the cash register, they scan our groceries and they tell us how much we have to pay. Yes, we get to scan all of our groceries. Do you want to see it light up? Yes, we have to go scan our groceries. Okay, let's talk about what Miss Bria got. I need your help. I forgot the names of all of these foods. Can you help me? This is the sign for help. Can you help me? I need help. Yes, you can help me. Okay, let's name them. This is the first thing I got. What is this? It's a fruit. It has black seeds and it's red and pink on the inside. And it's really, really sweet. What fruit is this? Watermelon, yes! I got a watermelon. This is next. It's a green vegetable. It's in the shape of a large ball and circle. And you can make a salad with this vegetable. It starts with an L. Lettuce, yes! This is lettuce. I get to chop, chop, chop and make a salad. What are these two? It's a type of meat. You can put it in a bread bun. What are these called? Hot dogs, yes! I got 2 hot dogs. What is this? This is also meat. This meat goes inside 2 buns. And you can put lettuce on there or cheese on there. It's a type of patty. This meat goes with a hamburger. Yes, you put the buns on top and you bite. This is a hamburger patty. Yes, thank you. What's next? What color is this one? Orange. This is a fruit. Oh, it smells like citrus, and I think it's really sweet on the inside. You can make a type of juice with this one. What is this one called? It's an orange. Yes, it's an orange. Good job. Oh, here's something special. This is a sweet treat. It's a type of bread. It has icing on top and a hole in the middle. Can you guess what this sweet treat is called? Is it a cake? No. This is a donut. Yes! It's the donut. Good job. Oh, here's one of my favorite foods. It's in the shape of a triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It has cheese on top and different toppings. Do you know what this is called? You can get it with pepperoni or sausage or even just cheese. This is a pizza. Yes! I love to eat pizza. Look at the pizza. Thank you. Okay, I have some groceries in the basket. Let's see what I have. Oh, I love this. This is a box and it has little small circles. You pour it into the bowl and then you add some milk and you eat it with a spoon. This is cereal. Yes, cereal. Look at that cereal. Good job. Let's see what we have next. Oh, this one is in a white carton. You pour it into the cereal. Babies like to drink this. It's called milk. Yes, I have a carton of milk. Let's see what's next. Oh, this is a can. In this can, there are beans. There are beans in this can. You can pour the beans into a bowl, or you can pour the beans into a pot and cook them on the stove. I love to eat canned beans. Good job. Oh, here's another box. Miss Bria's going to tell you what's inside this one. This one has soup. The soup is on the inside. You pour it in the bowl and you eat it with a spoon. I love soup. Good job. I have 2 more things. Oh, look at this one. It's round. It's red. It doesn't smell sweet, so I wonder what type of fruit or vegetable this one is. You can chop it. You can put it in a salad or on a sandwich, or you can put it on top of your hamburger. Put this on top with the lettuce. What do you think this is? Yes, it's a tomato. Good job. This is my tomato. Last thing in our basket. Oh, this is a vegetable. It's green and it looks like a tree. What vegetable is green and looks like a tree? Broccoli! Yes! This is yummy, yummy broccoli. I like to cook my broccoli in a pan, put butter and salt, and so good! Yes! Okay, friends, we got all of our groceries. Let's count how many things we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Show me 10 fingers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, we made all of our groceries. Now it's time for us to go check out at the cash register, okay? Yes, I'll see you at the cash register. Okay, friends, let's check out. In order to buy my groceries, I need to make sure I have money. I have $1 bills, $10 bills, and $5 bills. This is going to help me pay for all of my groceries. I also have my credit card. You can use a card to pay for your groceries. We have cash, we have a card, but also you can use coins. Coins are another form of money. We have our card, our cash, and our coins. This is how we're going to pay for our groceries. Are you ready to check out? Yes? Now, I need you to make a funny sound for me. When it's time for us to scan our groceries, we're going to hear the beep sound, okay? Miss Bria has this that makes the sound, but you can make the sound at home. You want to practice? Let's practice. When I click it, you have to say beep. You ready? Let's do it. Ready, set, go! I heard your beep. Good job. Let's check out our groceries. Watermelon, hot dog, donut, patty, milk, soup, orange, beans, cereal, broccoli, 3 more, lettuce, tomato, last one, pizza, yay! We checked out and scanned all of our groceries. Now we have to figure out how much we owe. There's a special button on the cash register that Miss Bria gets to push and it'll tell us our grand total. But first, I forgot to show you the microphone. On the microphone, you get to talk over the whole grocery store. Let me show you how it works. You push a button. Pick up on aisle 7. Oh, isn't that silly? Pick up on aisle 3. Yes. What do you want to say on the mic? I'm going to turn it your way. I'm going to push the button. I heard someone say there was a pickup on aisle 5. Oh, what about a sale? Let's say a sale. There's a sale on apples today. Yes. Let's do another one. There's a sale on grapes today. Yes. Do you want to do a sale? Okay, I'm going to turn the mic towards you. Push the button. Oh, someone said that there was a sale for juice. Good job, friends. Now, let's total up our groceries. I'm going to push the button. You hear that? One more time. Okay, our total ended up being $50 for all of our groceries. Let's take out our cash. I'm going to do 3 $10 bills. That means $10, $20, $30. And then I want to pay the rest of the money on my card. So let's pay with our cash first. I'm going to pay $30 in cash. That means I still owe $20. Let's open our cash register and let's put our cash in. We're going to close it. Now I have to pay my $20. I'm going to take my card and you can tap. Are you ready? Can you say tap? Do it again. Tap. Let's tap and pay. Okay, we paid $20 with our card. Let's open it and put our card in. And today, we didn't have to use any of our coins. Here's 10 cents and 25 cents. We paid all of our money with our cash and our card. Good job, friend! Yay! Now we can pack up our groceries and we can go home. You did so good helping me with grocery shopping today. I'm so ready to go home and eat. I hope you had fun with Miss Bria today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!